We are going to start. Listen to that is about combination. So question number 1, what is given? Let's take one. So NC8 is equal to NC2. Find NC2 is equal to what? That is the asking, right? Listen, I told you that stop talking. Listen, I said. So there is a formula for us. There is formula for us NCA equal to NCP. Then two condition I said, either A equal to B or N is equal to A plus B I said. Here these two is not equal. So then what is the next step? N equal to A plus B only will become. Am I right? So these are that we can follow. So R A is equal to B. Here A and B cannot be equal. A and B cannot be equal. So that surely N is equal to A plus B only. So that then N is equal to 8 plus 2. Then N equal to what ma? 10. With help of the since formula which I given in the note pointer I'm using. Okay, N is equal to what my dear? 10. After getting N value 10, we can substitute here. NC2 they asked to find them, right? So that NC2 which is equal to 10C2. Okay. So what is the formula for NCR? N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. This is the formula I'm going to use here. Which means 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. 10 minus 2 factorial. So 10 factorial means 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Why I'm stopping with 8 now? When I subtract these two, it will be coming 8 factorial. So I will be cancelled. So okay. So 2 into 1. The 2 factorial I'm writing 2 into 1. 10 minus 2 that will be 8 factorial. So I can cancel directly 8 factorial, 8 factorial. 1 2s are 5 2s are. Then 9 5s are what Paraja? 45 is our final answer for the first question. Okay. Now, second question. Determine n means n value they asked to find. First question 2 times n c 3 ratio n c3 equal to 12 is to 1. So we have to apply the formula. What formula? NCR formula only. Okay. NCR which is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. This is the formula. Guys, this is the formula I'm going to use for this. But the first one, instead of n, what they gave? 2n. Have you noticed it? So 2n factorial you should give. Okay. So that 2n together factorial divided by first 3 factorial minus 2 times n minus 3 factorial. What is that? Whole divided by nc3, which means n factorial divided by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 12 divided by 1. Okay, right. Now the denominator, when you take the numerator, what will happen? It will be reciprocal. Okay, that you do it. So that 2 times n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial multiply this. When you take the numerator, it will be reciprocal. 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. Sorry, factorial I gave inside in the step. Outside you should have n minus 3 factorial divided by what I have, n factorial is equal to 12 divided by 1 is 12 only. Now children, what are possible to cancel, just do it. Other things you should be very careful. Now numerator, what I have, 2n factorial. 2n factorial I can write 2n into 2n minus 1. Okay, into again 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial. Okay, whole divided by what I have 2 minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial. Now I can cancel these two, numerator denominator, 2n minus 3 factorial. Okay, 1 we have to reduce that is what I reduced 1 and 1. Okay, first one I'm writing as it is, then minus 1. Again, if we subtract 1, minus 2. Again, if we subtract 2, minus 3. Like that, it will be going. Okay, denominator. Have we done the first question? Children, have you done the first question? Yes. Okay, I need this page, that is what. Okay, multiply what I have here, denominator what I have, n factorial. The n factorial I am writing n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Okay, numerator same n minus 3 factorial equal to 12. That's it, equal to 12. So what are possible to cancel that, you do it ma. 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial. Then what is next? Possible to simplify that, you see. Okay, and one more thing also we can cancel this 1n, 1n. The 2 is there, but n cancel. Also we can do it. And what I have remaining 2 into 2n minus 1. From this step, I can take out what pa? What I can take out from here? Huh? 2 I can take. So that n minus 1 whole divided by n minus 1. This I am writing. Whole divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 12. Again, what is possible to cancel? N minus 1, n minus 1. Have you noticed it? Now, the 2 also you can take. 1 time, how many times? 6. Again, 1 time, how many times? 3. Okay. How many times? 3. Take this cross multiply. So, what I am getting now? Just 2n minus 1 in the left hand side. Right hand side 3 times of n minus 2. Take the 3 multiple inside. So that 3 times n minus 6. Here 2 times n minus 1. So together n one side, numbers fully one side, if you gather now, you will be getting highest n we have in the right hand side. So 3n, let it be as it is. 2n, when you send opposite na, minus 2n you will be getting. That minus 1, let it be as it is in the left hand side. Minus 6, when you take opposite na, it will be plus 6. So when you simplify, that will be 5 equal to n. So n value what I am getting for first subdivision? 5. What I am getting, my dear? 5 is the n value for the first one. Is it okay what I did? Can you take second question is your homework? Second subdivision, ra. This one you try. First subdivision I did, right? So second subdivision you take as your homework. Can you go next page? I'll complete 2 more pages. You write together, okay? Huh? So listen. I'm going next. What is that? 3 and 4. 2 questions are there. So question number 3 I'm taking. Question number 3. What is given? How many cards can be? How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? First, a card, for drawing a card, how many points are needed? You tell me. For drawing a card in a circle, how many points required? First, do you aware of card definition? What is card? I'm a sorry only. Tell me. Don't know. Sit down. Sanjay R. Which standard? Tell me. Define card. Card. Manage to that is points. Okay. Okay. So line segment intersect the circle at 2 points. Okay. Sit. So card in the sense, it will be inside the circle, 2 point we have to join. The biggest cardina which passes through center point, they will be telling that is called diameter. Also a card. Then for drawing a card, how many points is required? 2 points is required. Okay, how many points is required? 2 points is required. So that, so here they said how many cards can be drawn through 21 points they are telling. They have 21 points on the circle, ma. They have 21 points on the circle. Then how many cards can be drawn? They are asking, which means total number of points what they gave, that is n. 21 points they said. For drawing a card, for drawing a card, we need 2 points. Am I right? We need 2 points. So that is R value what, my dear? 2. R value what, my dear? 2. Then see, from group of points, listen carefully. This is not even mentioned combination, permutation. So when you see the question in the examination, how you going to decide this will be permutation and combination? See, from the group of points, we are selecting only 2 points for drawing a card. Am I right? See, if you are drawing a circle, they said 21 points is there, it seems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. There are 21 points on the circle. But for drawing a card, I need only 2 points. So I'm selecting which point we can take from here. Either this or which, like that. So I'm choosing these two. So from the group, I'm choosing 2 on right. So choosing, selecting group in the sense, what it means I said. Combination I said. Permutation means what I said. Arrangement. Okay, how we can arrange the word, how we can arrange the numbers, how we can write some Monday is given with the help of MONDAY, what all words we can form. That all arrangement, arranging the letters. Okay, but this is what choosing a point. Okay, so this can be come under the combination. So that NCR formula, n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. I said that n is a 21, c r value is a 2, which is 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 21 minus 2 factorial. That is 21 into 21 minus 2, what Raja? 19. Am I right? Then till 19 you write 21, 20, 19 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 into 1 multiply 21 minus 2, 19 factorial. So that directly 19 factorial we can cancel. Okay, then what I am getting? This also you can cancel. One time, how many times? 10. Then what's my answer? 21 into 10, which is equal to 210. Number of cards I can draw with the help of 21 points. Okay, these many cards I can draw. This is question number 3. Check book bag answer also, children. Question number 4, I'm going. Question number 4. Question number 4, we are moving. So, how many ways can a team? Team also what meaning? Group. Team also what meaning? A group only. Okay. A group of boys, group of girls. Team also like a group one. Then group indirectly what they given proof for us? Combination. Indirectly what they given proof for us? Combination. Team means always combination. Okay. So then group, team means group only. So there are 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys. So listen carefully. Listen carefully for boys. Boys actually, we have 5 boys. What they said? 5 boys. How many boys they are selecting? 3 boys. From the group of 5, 3 boys they are selecting now. What is the 3? What is the 3? R. Okay. The selecting is the R. total number of people or number is a n. Okay, like that for girls. Girls, how many? Four girls they said. Then from group of four girls, how many girls they are selecting? There are also three, right? Fine. So here also what actually three girls they are selecting. Okay. Then how many ways we have they are asking? How many ways are there? They are asking. Then number of ways which is equal to what is here? 5 C R, sorry, R means what here? 3 multiply 4 C, what is that? 3. So you have to multiply boys and girls. Okay. Have you understand? That's it. From 5 boys, 3 boys is selected, so 5C3. From 4 girls, 3 girls selecting 4C3. 100% okay. Now you apply, you will be getting. Okay. Right. So listen. In team, how many people need that they didn't mention? Am I right? Okay. Raja, listen, one more clue I'll give for you people. Where you will be getting multiplication, where you will be getting addition. That also you should learn here. That is very important point. See, where you will be getting addition. See, the enough point if you get. I'm going to choose, for example, this is that is what I'm thinking. What is the team? Suppose if they mention any game name, I can go. Nothing is mentioned, I go multiple always. Okay. For example, kabaddi match. Kabaddi match, kabaddi. Okay, kabaddi will take. Okay, something else will take. Kabaddi match, kabaddi for example, 7 members required for a kabaddi. So I need a 7 members, but I have 21 students. From the 20, for example, 21 students. From the 21, at a time, if I'm taking 7 students from the A section, then from the B section, I have 23 students. Here also, I'm taking 7 students in the sense. See, I need a 7 students. I selected 7 students. Then I should give plus. Okay. I'm not selecting 7 students from the first section. I'm choosing 4 students from here. Remaining 3, I'm going for B section. I should give multiple. So what I need is the total number fully I'm taking from first team. Okay, I'm not going for remaining. I'm going for next team. In the sense, I should give plus. I should give what here? I should give what here? Plus. I need 7 members for a team. The first 3 or 4, if I'm taking from here, remaining I'm going for the next team. In the sense, I should give what actually multiple. Okay. Listen carefully. Enough members if I'm taking from the first selection, I should give add. Understand? The enough members are not getting from the first selection now, it will give multiple. Okay, be careful here, that is very important. We'll see in both the side getting or what. Right. Now in a multiplication, this is nothing is mentioned about team now, you give always multiple. Okay, here nothing is mentioned about team, so I'm giving multiple. Now 5C3 means what, Raja? 5 into, sorry, first formula 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Here what you will be getting? Directly can I write 5 minus 3, 2 factorial? Is it okay for you people? First sum I will do. Next sum onwards I will go. 5 minus 3 factorial multiply here. 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Here you will be getting 4 minus 3, 1 factorial. Or else one step you do, not an issue. Okay. Now 5 factorial na 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by what I am getting 3 factorial into this will be what? 2 factorial. Okay. Multiply. This is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply. What is this? 1. Sorry, I didn't write in numerator. Numerator what? 4 into 3 is there. Here that. Okay, we can cancel. So this will be 1 factorial. And here also, if you stop here, you can cancel this, I think. Okay, I have done. Let's go now. So this is what? 2 factorial cancel. Here 3 factorial cancel. Then we have to apply the numbers. Wait. Just I'll scroll. Now what is the number? Just you applied, Raja. So that numerator what? 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 multiply 4 divided by 1 factorial 1. Is there anything possible to cancel? Do it. This 3 cancel. 1 time, 2 time. Anything else? No. So that 5 2s are 5 into 2 into 4, which is equal to what? 40. Which is equal to what, my dear? 40. Is that our required answer for the question number 4? Is it okay, pa? That's it. Check the book bag answer out. Okay, ma. Right. Then one more page is there. Can I complete that? Okay. What is this? Find the number of ways selecting. See, the word is there, selecting. Selecting a combination. The key point very important. Otherwise, you cannot guess in the examination combination or combination. Whatever I'm underlining, that also you will underline in the textbook. It will be very useful for reading the exam. So, yeah. Right. Now, there are 9 balls. There are 9 balls. What is that? Selecting 9 balls. Sorry. Selecting 9 ball. Okay. From 6 red ball, 5 white ball, and 5 blue balls. Then total what, ma? Total n is equal to what? Color, color they mentioned. Sorry, pa. If each selection consists 3 ball of each color. Oh, then color wise they are moving. See, they need 9 ball, ma. Okay. So 3 ball of each color, na. From red to 3, from white to 3, and 5 is what? Blue. Blue 3. Then 3, 9 is coming. Okay. Then number of ways. Directly let me go. 6 red is there. Then 6. From the 6, 3 ball I'm going to select. I need a 9 ball. Listen. I need a 9 ball. I'm not giving here 9. If I give 9, plus will come. But I don't have 9 ball here to take. So I'm not taking enough ball. So what I want to give here? Multiple. Understand? And next 5 white is there. From that 3. Multiply. And 5 more blues there. From that 3. That's it. Okay. If you want a clarification, you write here. This is what is that? Red color. This is what? White color. This is what? Blue. Okay. From that, we are selecting 3 from each. That's it. Okay, ma? We select. See, I gave multiple. Have you understand why multiple? Because total ball I need 9 ball. I'm not able to get 9 at a time. If I'm not getting enough ball, what I said? Multiple. If I get 9 ball from first selection, plus I should do. Have you understand? But I don't have 9 ball to take from each color. Okay? Right. And they said each color we need only 3. So that sorry multiple. And check this 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply 6 minus 3. Directly I'm giving 3 here, ma. 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. Like that, 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiply 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. Now, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 1 3 factorial I can cancel. So, 1 I will expand. Okay. So, 1 I will cancel. And here, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. And 3 factorial I will cancel. 2 factorial I will expand. Like that, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial I will cancel. 2 factorial I will expand. That's it, bro. So whatever possible to cancel that you do it, pa. First factorial I cancelled. Then remaining elements. And here 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay. That's it, bro. Now what is that? 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So what I am getting? 20 00 then 2000 chances are 2000 number of ways are there. Okay. Answer. That's it, ma. Now, remaining question and all I will come in the next video. Okay. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye, pa.